look like sweet tea, but it's actually lemonade. Shit good as hell. So lemonade good as
I got that awesome, you know, bitch, you super soaker. You know I got it, all my niggas with me on it. I go to meetings, you know, and just.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Obviously, you could tell by the title, once again, I have another reaction. And this time, it's by Pontiac Made DDG. If you watch YouTube regularly, you know what's going on with Pontiac Made DDG and all the YouTube drama and all of that. He made a diss track towards Lil Yachty, and I heard it's because Yachty dissed him in one of his songs. Somebody told me to listen to this because it's actually better than Yachty's freestyle. His freestyle on the TK beat. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
SKT, DDG, that's always.
It's DDG, I don't know no SKT. Boy, quit playing, you know you a fan to me. Iced out and my neck look like P. You
What?
don't know me, alright nigga, we gon' see.
Okay, alright.
I ain't lame, I ain't broke, bitch, I'm bustin'. Just be back and I'ma feature Joe Button. DJ Academics gon' report something. Somebody tell India that I'm fucking. Do a vid, then I collect my pay. About your album, I have nothing to say. Take a nigga fans, take a nigga bass.
Okay,
You
what?
don't know me, you gon' know me today. Harley, 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 Harley. Yeah, I'm sorry, 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 sorry.
Yo, I can't.
Bitch, I'm gnarly, 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 gnarly. Ain't from the D, but the Buffies on my cardies. Run a nigga out his motherfucking socks.
Okay.
You only poppin' because sis say lay Fox.
Oh?
You don't know me while you boosting, you should stop. You hella ugly and your hair built like a mop. Your hair built like some dirty ass Cheetos. India said you annoying like mosquitoes. Bitch, I'm popping middle finger to your ego.
Okay.
Tip for album, but you know it should be Frito.
Oh.
It's DDG, I don't know no SKT. Boy, quit playing, you know you a fan to me.
You a fan? What?
Iced out and my neck look like P.
Look like P,
You
nigga.
don't know
What?
me, alright, nigga, we gon' see.
Oh.
I ain't lame, I ain't broke, bitch, I'm bustin'.
Oh.
This me back and I'ma feature Joe Button. DJ Academics gon' report something. Somebody tell India that I'm fucking. Do a vid, then I collect my pay. About your album, I have nothing to say.
Yo.
Take a nigga fans, take a nigga bass. You don't know me, you gon' know me today.
Yo.
Fuck yeah.
Okay. Hey, what he said. If y'all said this was trash, you're lame. I don't care. What y'all saying like, oh, y'all like, oh, he can't rap. The lyrics are trash. Da, da, da. I'm like, obviously it's a joke. If you can't tell that that was a joke, then what are you doing with your life? All in all, in my opinion, that shit went dumb hard. Like, he did that shit for clout. He did it for fun. It was supposed to be really a type of joke thing. Like, why y'all taking it so serious? Why are y'all taking it so serious? My drink is done, so that means this video is done. So yep, that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Y'all already know what to do. Follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat. It'll be down below. And yeah, that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
All my niggas ride out, I wait them